Hey there, savvy savers. Welcome back to our channel, where we break down the latest in personal finance to help you manage your money like a pro. Today, we're diving into how to get money off your Chime debit card in 2025. Chime is that super convenient mobile banking app that lets you handle your finances without the hassle of traditional banks, and with updates rolling in, withdrawing cash has never been easier. Whether you're in a pinch for cash or just planning ahead, stick around for a step-by-step guide that'll have you set in no time. First things first, make sure you're all logged into the Chime app on your smartphone. It's your gateway to everything Chime offers. Start by checking your account balance to see how much you can withdraw. Remember, Chime has daily limits, usually around $500, but this might vary based on your account status in 2025. Once you're good there, head to the Move Money section in the app. This is where the magic happens. Step 1. Select the Withdraw option. You'll see a list of fee-free ATMs partnered with Chime, like Allpoint or MoneyPass networks. These are key because they help you avoid those pesky ATM fees that can eat into your cash. If you're out and about, use the app's ATM locator to find the nearest one. Just punch in your location, and it'll show you options nearby. Step 2. Once at the ATM, insert your Chime debit card, enter your PIN, and select Withdrawal. Choose the amount you want. Keep it under your daily limit to avoid any issues. Pro tip: if you're withdrawing larger amounts, consider splitting it over a couple of days or using Chime's SpotMe feature if you're eligible, which could give you a cash advance without fees. But what if you're not near an ATM? No worries. You can transfer funds directly to another bank account via a CH transfer right in the app. Just go back to Move Money, select Transfer, link your external account, and you're good to go. This is perfect for 2025's digital world, where everything's about convenience. Now, a few quick tips to keep in mind. Always double-check for any updates to Chime's policies, as things might change by 2025. Watch out for potential fees if you use a non-partnered ATM, and make sure your app is updated for the smoothest experience. Oh, and if you run into any glitches, Chime's customer support is top-notch. Just reach out through the app. There you have it, folks. Getting money off your Chime debit card is straightforward and empowers you to take control of your finances. If you found this helpful, hit that like button, subscribe for more finance tips, and drop a comment below with your experiences. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video. Stay smart with your money.